to be able to control yourself so that when someone is talking, you allow them, because that's how this is going to work. I talk, you listen, and then you listen, I talk. I mean, there's going to be enough time for you to say you have a follow-up question when I finish talking.
But Reno, I thought you had finished, and you know that's why I even gave you the.
But I was still talking.
Hang on a minute, Reno.
When you interjected, and you have history of doing that. Anyway, now
Reno, please finish your thoughts, and I come with my rebuttal, please. Just finish your thought. Go ahead.
No, you've interrupted my thought process.
Okay, so let me follow up on the rebuttal, Reno. I mean, and that's why I had the courtesy to be able to tell you that when you finish, because you paused for a bit, and that's why I interjected. So I will not just interrupt your thoughts. And all this game you try to play to blackmail me and say all sorts, that's how I behave. It's your game. I'm not drawn into that. I'm just a journalist and I do my job. And that's just to you, Reno, just to set you straight on that. This is the rebuttal I wanted to give.
Thank you so much. Why is Reno Omokri, or whatever they call him, unnecessarily blackmailing Rufai Oseni? You see, Rufai Oseni, at his level, why would somebody who lives like who believes in Togre, who reduces himself and acts with the mental capacity of a dog, called Reno Omokri, tell Rufai Oseni that somebody gave him money to bury his father? What an insult. What an insult. This is so unfortunate. And everywhere many Nigerians should condemn the activities of Omokri. This Togre activity, he has taken it too far. Insulting people, mocking them, ridiculing them, blackmailing them. What for? Let every well-meaning Nigerian, especially those in PDP, especially his known principal, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, should call Omokri to order and tell him to at least raise his level. Live as a civilized human being. You cannot be behaving at the same level with the talks of Lagos, as if you were raised from under the bridge. It's so unfortunate. Let Reno Omokri call himself to order and stop blackmailing Rufai Oseni. A word is enough for the wise.
Following questions. Did Mr. Peter Obi, the presidential candidate of Labour Party, fund the funeral of Mr. Rufai Oseni's father by giving him money in cash or the electronic means, either directly or through a third party in August 2022? And has that influenced Mr. Oseni's open bias in favor of Peter Obi, whereby Mr. Oseni used the Arise TV platform as a medium to campaign for, under the image of Mr. Peter Obi and his own disguised personal animosity towards me for my refusal to support Mr. Peter Obi's presidential ambition?